Trying to factor these binomials, and we first need to find what the greatest common factor, you might see this as GCF, is for both of the terms. So we're asking ourselves, what's the biggest thing that we could divide into 27y and 18? Well, there's not a y to take out, but we can divide looks like the largest number that goes into 27 and 18 would be a 9. So if we divide both of these terms by 9, in fact, I'm going to write this a little bit lower, just so we can kind of see it a little more clearly. So the 9 is going to go out in front. In parentheses, 27y divided by 9 is 3y, and 18 divided by 9 is 2. And you can always check this. 9 times 3y is 27y, 9 times 2 is 18, so we got back to where we started. Notice in the next one, they both have a y, so we can also factor out a y, and so we can divide both of these terms by y. The biggest number that goes into 40 and 24 would appear to be 8, so we can divide both of these by 8y, and that would be the GCF. So put the GCF out front, 8y, parentheses. 40y squared divided by 8y is 5y, and 24y divided by 8y is just a positive 3. And again, we could go back and distribute this, multiply this back, and we should come up with the same expression as we first started. And the next one, negative 45y minus 20. The biggest number that goes into both of these, or the biggest term, they both don't have a y, but the biggest number that goes into both of them appears to be a negative 5. So we'll divide both of these by a negative 5. So negative 5 parentheses, negative 45y divided by negative 5 is a positive 9y. And negative 20 divided by a negative 5 is a positive 4. And for the last one, they both don't have a y, so we can't take a y out of it, but it looks like we can both take out a 7 out of each of them. So that'd be our GCF, so greatest common factor, divided both by 7. 7y squared divided by 7 is y squared, and negative 21 by 7 is negative 3. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask your math teacher.